Hello. Have you ever wondered why the seasons change or why the ocean tides rise and fall? These phenomena and many more are all influenced by the incredible interaction between objects in space and Earth. Today, we're going to explore how the sun and the moon affect our planet Earth. Let's start with our closest star, the sun. The sun's immense gravity keeps Earth and the other planets in orbit around it. But the sun's influence goes beyond simply holding us in place. The Earth's tilted axis as it orbits the sun causes the seasons we experience. As Earth orbits the sun, different parts of the planet receive a different amount of direct sunlight each day. When the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun, the northern hemisphere experiences summer with an increased number of hours of daylight, while the southern hemisphere experiences winter and fewer hours of daylight. 6 months later, the tilt is reversed and the seasons switch. Now, let's turn our attention to our nearest celestial neighbor, the moon. The moon's gravity also influences Earth, most notably through the tides. As the moon orbits Earth, its gravity pulls on the ocean and the Earth, causing them to bulge. This creates two bulges, one facing the moon and one on the opposite side of Earth. As Earth rotates, these bulges move, creating the familiar rhythm of high and low tides. The sun also impacts Earth tides, although not as much as the moon. When the sun and moon are along the same lines with Earth, the increases in high tides and decreases in low tides are greatly enhanced. These tides are called spring tides. When the sun and the moon are at right angles to each other and the Earth, the difference between the high and low tides are smaller than the spring tides. These tides are called neap tides. The moon also plays a role in eclipses. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, blocking the sun's light as viewed from Earth. A lunar eclipse happens when Earth passes between the sun and the moon, causing the Earth to cast a shadow on the moon. The relative positions of the sun, Earth, and moon are constantly changing, leading to a variety of astronomical phenomena. These interactions highlight the interconnectedness of our solar system and the profound influence that celestial bodies have on each other. So the next time you look up in the sky, remember that the sun and the moon are not just distant objects. They're active participants in the ongoing dance of our planet. Their gravitational pull and their changing positions shape our world in countless ways. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of the cosmic connections that shape our lives. Thank you for watching.